Welcome to PatioKitsDirect.com, your nationwide provider of Alumawood do-it-yourself patio cover kits. We are the #1 platinum dealer for Alumawood by Amerimax. We offer a variety of patio covers ranging from solid non-insulated, insulated, and lattice patio covers, anything that suits your need. We have a beautiful showroom located in Corona, California, easily accessible by most of the metropolitan areas in Southern California. What sets us apart from our competition is we have a physical location, so you can come and see our material firsthand. In our showroom, you can come and see the different types of covers, the accessories, different color options, and everything that you need to customize your patio cover kit. Our sales team is very dedicated and has years of experience. We're here waiting for you to come visit us or give us a call. For those of you that can visit us, that means you're probably able to pick up at one of our factory locations. This will save you hundreds of dollars on not having to have your material shipped. It's easy to pick up yourself. You just need a truck or a trailer. For our other customers located across the United States, we can ship directly to your door. We use professional freight companies and the highest quality in packaging materials to make sure that you get your material safe. Remember, we can ship anywhere in the United States, all the way to the East Coast. We even ship to Hawaii. Lead times for shipping take about 2 to 3 weeks. On our website, PatioKitsDirect.com, you can see all the different customizable options. On our Customize tab, you can view the different colors. Color does not change the price of your patio cover, so you can choose from all these options. You can even make your roofing panels and trim, which is the post, beams, and border wrap, in a different color. A very popular combination is desert sand for the roofing with Spanish brown for the trim. Another customizable option that doesn't change the price of your patio cover are your decorative end caps. We have 4 options, from corbel, scallop, miter, to bevel. All of these options help you to customize your patio cover so that you have a patio cover that meets every lifestyle. Our main goal is customer service and making sure that our homeowners and customers are confident with building this themselves. On our website, you can see a list of recommended tools. Most of these tools are things that you can find around your home. This enables homeowners just like you to complete this project with pride. We also offer different building instructions so that you can see all the different steps that you will need during this build. The manufacturer provides general building instructions to help guide you through your build. However, because these custom kits are made to order, the applications will vary slightly. In order to enhance your experience, Patio Kits Direct has put together a custom video library to help you through every step of your build. For instance, you can see here a video explaining how to mount a fan to your patio cover. You'll see the different screws that are needed, the different techniques that our custom installers use, and the different tricks of the trade to get you through your build. We like to send these to all of our customers, and they're available to you as soon as you purchase your patio kit. We will help you in every step of the way. We even provide live phone support, and we'll FaceTime you during your build if needed. Our customers all across the United States are sending us their photos daily to show us the progress and the results of their build. These customers are so proud because they are able to build this themselves and save hundreds of dollars, if not thousands, doing it themselves. You can see our photos on Instagram, Facebook, our different social media platforms, as well as Yelp. On Yelp, we have 5-star reviews from all of our customers. Your next question might be, what's the first step? Go to our website and select Get a Free Quote. This will take you to a page that gives you instructions and also helps us specify whether you're a homeowner or a professional. For homeowners, you'll be taken to our quote form. This will give you directions on what to fill out next. The first step is to give us your name. Your first name and your last name are appreciated so we know how to address you. This can be done on the desktop or even on a mobile phone. Make sure your battery is charged. The second step is to give us your email address. Make sure you give us a valid email address because this is the first way that we'll reach out to you and provide you your quote. Make sure you check your spam folders or your junk mail to make sure you get the quote from us because sometimes it ends up there. Next, please provide your phone number. We will use this if you call in so that we have a callback number. We'll only reach out to you once or twice with a follow-up. Your location is necessary so that we can calculate different shipping costs. We can also use this to know whether you can use a pickup option. Your type of patio cover is necessary next. Let us know so we can price it accordingly. Your measurements are important. The projection from the house, the length, and the height are necessary to get accurate pricing. We provide a link right below this to show you how to measure. We need you to go out and measure your patio cover so that you know exactly what you need. We'll also need to know if it's attached to the wall, eave, or if it's freestanding. Your header beam can be single or double. And then you're going to go ahead and select your color options. Like I said previously, your color options do not change the price of your patio cover, but allows us the information we need to place your order. Your end cap style, as well, does not change the price of your patio cover. You can add on different options like columns, and we would very much appreciate it if you told us how you heard about us. Use the very bottom section for comments, questions, or anything that you might want to reach out to us about. We're happy to hear from you with any of your questions, concerns, or just to learn a little bit more about you. Use this section to let us know what you're looking for, where you're located, and we will reach out to you as soon as we can. The next step is very easy. All we need you to do is review our terms and conditions. This will give you information on all of the different details on shipping your patio cover, possible damage, and things of that nature. We can also provide this by email if you choose. By submitting a quote, you acknowledge that you've read all of our terms and conditions, and if you do have any questions about those, please feel free to call us at 888-851-8351. Then simply submit your form. We are so excited to hear from you and can't wait to make your patio cover dreams come true. Look at this custom kit that one of our customers just completed themselves. You can complete any custom build that you want. Reach out to us at patiokitsdirect.com or give us a call at 888-851-8351. We're ready and waiting for your call. Have a great